Love is like rain and it'll pour, falls on faces, never knowing more. Touches hearts in unexpected ways, finds you walking on the grayest days. No umbrella strong enough to shield drops of longing on a battlefield. Catching glimpses in a stranger's eye, feel it falling from a churning sky. Love is like rain washing over me, soaking through the layers to set me free. Can't escape the rhythm every drop foretells. Love is like rain ringing through ourselves. Puddles form on streets where dreams reside, reflections of two souls who cannot hide. Footsteps splashing in synchronicity, lost in storms of raw intensity. No love strong enough to shield drops of longing on a battlefield. Catching glimpses in a stranger's eye, feel it falling from a churning sky. Love is like rain washing over me, soaking through the layers to set me free. Can't escape the rhythm every drop foretells. Love is like rain ringing through ourselves. No another strong enough to shield drops of longing on a battlefield. Catching glimpses in a stranger's eyes. Love is like rain ringing through ourselves. Love is like rain washing over me, soaking through the layers to set me free. Can't escape the rhythm every drop foretells. Love is like rain ringing through ourselves.